Hey guys, I'm from the Orient Traveller Z here. Today, we're at the Shangri-La Hotel Singapore. A 5-star establishment nestled in a secluded enclave, just a stone's throw from the famous Orchard Road shopping belt. Step through the main entrance and be greeted by a cavernous lobby lined with towering stone pillars. Enjoy afternoon tea at the lobby lounge, or retreat to your hideaway at the garden wing. A 158-unit section customized to evoke a tranquil resort vibe that is rare in metropolitan Singapore. Enjoy an abundance of lush greenery and the sound of flowing water from the courtyard garden right outside your room. Speaking of which, the 50 square meter garden wing deluxe room features a spacious bathroom with a bathtub, double vanity, enclosed rain shower and WC. The shower features a separate shower wand and a rain shower head. A thoughtful his and hers double vanity removes any competition, above which you'll find the bespoke toiletries. Lastly, the ample bathtub comes with a slotted window just above it, adding a touch of natural light to the bathroom. Right outside the bathroom is a mini bar counter where you'll find complimentary light snacks and bottles of water. A Nespresso machine is provided. Or if your preference is for tea, a selection of Shangri-La tea bags are also available. Moving on, there is a large 50-inch TV with a wide selection of channels to choose from. Next is arguably the most important part of any hotel room, the bed. Plush pillows and a comfortable mattress affords a peaceful night's rest. The garden wing underwent a renovation back in 2012 and a modern aesthetic is welcome. Next to the bed is a living area with a 2-seater couch, single armchair, and glass coffee table. There is even a ceiling fan to bring out the full resort theme. Enjoy room service on a cozy 2-seater dining set next to large floor-to-ceiling glass doors that offer a picturesque view of the pool and surrounding landscape. Step outside and enjoy the peace and tranquility. Which also extends into the night. Wake up the next morning refreshed. Head down to the gym for a quick workout or feast on a sumptuous breakfast at the Line restaurant. The gym is large and offers plenty of treadmills and equipment. Burn those calories while admiring the greenery outside through large glass windows. The Line is where most will be having breakfast. Choose between indoor or outdoor dining. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Shangri-La Hotel. See you in the next one!